I have nothing, nothing, nothing to go with Lola. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aquarius and I do videos on home decor, home organization, a little bit of fashion, you know. If you're into those type of things, then you want to go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos, you know? Right, now that we've got that out of the way. Yep, today's video is all about Miss Lola. Now, they used to be called Lola Shoutique, right? Who all remembers when it was called Lola Shoutique? Yes, I remember back in the day, and they only sold shoes. Well, now, child, Miss Lola sells everything from tennis shoes to mules to house shoes to shorts and clothes and sunglasses. I mean, you can get everything that you are looking for on there. Now, I have not ordered from them since they have been rebranded as MissLola.com. So, now, back in the day, when I was a little bit younger, you know, I'm all kinds of 38 now, all kinds of 38. I don't like high heels, okay? I got a man, I ain't hunting for one, so I ain't gotta suffer, you know what I mean? But I still like to look good, because y'all know that. But I purchased mules. Now, the first thing I want to give Miss Lola a thumbs up, a 5-star on, is shipping. I did regular shipping, and it was at my house within like 4 days. I was surprised, because that's usually what you get if you do the, what is it? The ground, but like quick ground, it's like $7. So, let me tell you about the deal that they were running. Honey, they had a STEMI deal. Okay, for those who got a STEMI check. And it was about 20% off your entire purchase. So, instead of me ordering one shoe, I was like, ooh, just throw it in the bag. I wouldn't look crazy. But, we're gonna get right on to why you came today, girls. Yes, honey, yes. And I'm trying them on for you too. Now, here's what I do love about Lola. This really cute little bag. I didn't think 4 pair of shoes was in this little tiny box because look how small it is. I was like, honey, that's like one shoe. Where the rest of my shoes? Until I opened it up and realized they don't put their shoes in boxes. So the first pair of shoes that I purchased was these really pretty, like they're olive green, but like a light olive green, okay? Cute. I wear a size 7. So comfortable. Heels. Y'all, I used to call these kitten heels, you know, back when I was rocking stilettos, like 6 inches and stuff. But now I think these are so timeless. And y'all know that's how I like to shop, because I want to be able to wear my stuff, you know, not just because it's in style, it's a fad right now. So yeah, and I received 4 pair of shoes, you guys, under $100. You just couldn't beat the deal or the special that they were running. And I'm gonna leave a link down below to each shoe, so don't worry, you know. And I'm not sponsored by them. I just want to let you guys know that. I mean, I wish it was, because, you know, I would be shopping again. But yeah, these are the first pair, and they are super, super cute. Y'all got me some watermelon. I hate when my children or my husband eat my watermelon first. Okay, that's a little gross. I'm gonna just take a little bite. It's so sweet. I'm trying my best, y'all, to snack a little healthy. I gotta get rid of this Corona weight. Damn it. have to go back. All right. So, this one is very cute. It's a tan shoe. Very, very cute. Y'all, comfortable and cute. Look at this. You always, these are a little lower than the teal ones, you guys. But I haven't worn them yet. But I like to walk my shoes in a little bit. These are a lot lower, so I don't think I would need to do that. And these can transition over into fall. So again, so I can get as much wear as I want out of these shoes. That is why I purchased tan. I also purchased black, and that's the shoe I'm going to show you next. Ta-da! They are so sexy on. And ladies, come on, 35 and older, give your foot a break. Give your feet a break. It's feet, not foot. Give your feet a break. You know, still look fly, but let your ankles rest. So as you can tell, you guys, I've already worn these. I had them on all night. If I wasn't clicking, clacking up and down my friend's stairs, and she lives on the 3rd floor of her apartment building, y'all, I was just so happy. I had these shoes on literally from 10 o'clock in the morning till 4 a.m. I was partying with my girls, had visitors and stuff. Should have documented that for y'all. It was epic. But baby, I was just just getting it, dancing, you know, trying to do the cry baby and stuff. I really was in these. And I mean, for the price and no pain, I'm definitely buying again. Again, all of them say bamboo in the inside of them. So hopefully they still have them. When did I take advantage of this? I've had these, came in about a week ago. So they should have, you know, some of these still online, y'all, but they are so sexy. And look, start off with black. Get you a black. You can never have enough black pair of shoes. So start off with black. And then I like to go into neutral colors. And then I do something crazy like the next color because I don't own anything lilac. I don't. All right. It is adorable. I mean, I'm here for the little bag. I'm not gonna need it when I put it in my closet, but y'all, these are the highest ones that I have. These are the highest ones. So if you're into, high heels make your little calf muscle look sexy, you want to get these for sure. And very comfortable on your feet. I just don't own anything lilac. I keep saying lilac like that. Lilac. I don't know why I keep saying it like that. Lilac. Lilac. No, I think it's okay. I'm gonna let that go. But I mean, I'm excited about wearing these. It makes me want to purchase a lilac or a light purple top. You know, spring and summer is coming up. I should be able to find this. If y'all can find me a cute top to go with this, or I can even take some shorts that looks like this, or a skirt. Those are ends, the little tennis skirts. That I can rock with this, you know, because if I did wear it now, all I can pair with is all black and let this stand out. That's about it, because I have nothing. I have nothing to go with lilac. You know, I was just trying to step out of my comfort zone, honey, because all the shoes in my closet damn near look alike. Anyway, this is the last shoe, guys. Gorge. Let's just bring them all and put them on the table and let them get their little, you know. Y'all, I bought 4 pair of shoes at one time, you know? That is just, I want some more. Won't he do? Look at, y'all, let me just let that marinate right right there for us. I'm having a come to Jesus shoe moment. I mean, this made me happy. But also, ladies, they all came in one box. So if you're hiding your shoes from your man, your significant other, it's a good decoy, the way they set it up. I think Miss Lola had us in mind, okay? And I'm gonna get me some more watermelon, y'all. Again, you guys, I think my spring and summer shoe collection is really, really coming in, and I'm gonna order some more. I might, because you guys know that I intern, so maybe on the next one I'll order some flats. So, okay, you guys, so my final review of Miss Lola mules is go out, get you some, stop what you're doing, share the love with your friends. Don't be stingy. You know we like to share on this channel. I would recommend ordering shoes from them. I love the quality. I love the style. I love the price. It's affordable. So, you know, you can take my word for it. And then if you order you some, list them below down. You know, take a picture, put it in the comment section because I want to see some. Yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, because I definitely enjoyed it because I like shopping and spending money. Okay, guys, make sure you leave me a comment below letting me know which shoe was your favorite and why, okay? And if you plan on shopping at Miss Lola, I would love to read your comments, and I'll see you guys in another video.